Hello, there is always a situation in life or in a stage in your career when you are not in a best of the moods. With a little motivation, you can get up, take action, tighten your grip on the situation, regain your confidence, and successfully achieve what you aimed at. Hello, I am Manjusha Bhaskarwar. By education, 12th completed in PCMB Science, postgraduated with integrated BLLB, from career as a dance choreographer to career counselor. My career has taken many twists and turns. Finally, I created my own style of training with theory of personality development and performing arts. Yes, my research study, Masters in Fine Arts, helped me in designing personality development through performing arts. 2021. So, from 2000 to 2021, that is 21 years huge experience in my work. I have traveled a lot, 6 states, 20 plus cities, have addressed to 5 lakh plus professionals, individuals, students, individuals with mass audience. So we can say huge experience. I am certified with 14 plus courses from different institutions which are the reputed and the best in India. My company born debut with my life partner Ravi Bhaskarwar. Currently he is my company partner. We are working as mentors in career transition. Today's focus is colleges and their students. Why colleges? As colleges are facing many problems with online studies because of current pandemic scenario. Even exams are postponed and students are also facing problems with uncertainty. I am not focusing on those who are facing challenges, but I want to help to both of them. The biggest challenge is with students who have passed out in 2019, 20, 21. Yes, 2019, 2020, 2021, and they don't have placements. So placement is the big problem. There I am in to help. Similarly, students are facing employability and interview facing challenges. Though they are there for them, placements are available. This is what I am going to serve here. Here you can see the stats of survey that I have done just recently. Employability problem. So these are the survey statistics saying, not I am saying, these are the statistics saying clearly that students have employability problem, English problem, communication problem. They are not able to get or understand what they are looking for. Even colleges are not able to convey them which kind of requirement is going on to match their resume, or how they can conduct interviews online, offline. So there is a chaotic situation in the market. I want to sort it out. Survey is helping us to sort this. Here to lessen the gap between corporate and campus, that is campus to corporate, we have designed a 40-minute online session for colleges and their students that name Success to Naukri. Yes, this session is absolutely free. In this, we have focused on topics: what are the challenges they are facing during the COVID, and what may be the scenario before and post COVID, and how the students are coping up with their mental conditions, how to boost up your motivation, and how to maintain their focus, what to do, what kind of job they have to do in this situation, and how to survive. Yes, survival is also a problem. How to choose a career selection, how to search a job is the biggest question, as everyone knows. We usually start searching for job online, but we do not get favorable responses. Some keywords problems are there. Yes, so job search is very important part. Even if you get response, luckily you get response, you have to prepare for the virtual interview with proper mindset. There is no next time. Success to Naukri is free 40-minute session, and we are giving extended but chargeable sessions also, with lots of insights, motivation and focus on these 5 topics mentioned here. Board exams with uncertain dates and timetable. Students from 10th, 12th are confused about career path. What to choose? Even parents are facing problems in admission process. Previously, it was very easy to go campus, see the campus physically and select the college, as everything is online, and difficult to select college. Now, here is an interesting part. We are now helping parents and students, specifically who are looking for engineering and medical admission after 12th. Pan India admissions in desired college. Pan India, not only in India, out of India also, we can help in admission, selection of the college, admission process and complete errorless work, so to get admission for sure. So here we can provide complete counseling and process with personalized services. At present, global education process is on rest because of COVID, but we can make you aware with future options and preparations. You can see testimonials of students from teenage to college on my YouTube channel Born Debut. Please subscribe and like it to get more updates and information. Here you can see our accomplishments to understand the experience with schools, corporate, PSU and many. Now here you can see my accomplishments with colleges, especially employability skills development, sharpen the soft programs and many. Students of 10th, 12th who are looking for career counseling, admissions of engineering, medical, even after MBBS, medical admissions are in June. They can also connect with us, contact us to get for sure admission. Students, candidates, job seekers who are looking for job or looking to switch job can book a slot today with us. Employees who are not happy with present job, facing with job challenges, looking for good salary and perks, even who are looking for sure job in UK, IT professionals, we can provide for sure. Even if you are looking for Canada PR, Canada settlement, we can provide all the services, hassle-free services. Colleges from cities like Nashik, Jalgaon, Satara, Latur, Aurangabad, Surat, Nanded, Pusat, Nagar can call us for free sessions. We can update you with all the current scenario and for sure placements. My hometown educators and colleges are always in communication with me, and I update them with all current required learnings and sharing. As you know, many of the crowd in Pune comes from the rural segment also. Most of them are now in their hometown. We can help them to come back with strong skill sets after Corona, so that you can get for sure placement. We use applied theatre techniques which give effect on participants as an NLP, that is neuro-linguistic program, works. It gives impacts on that matter, on that parameter. NSD has started such techniques for NTPC trainees, so I got an idea to study and had done research on this technique. So I am using this technique, applied theatre. No one can discover you until you do. Explore your talents, skills and strengths and make the world sit up and take notice. Thank you.